students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, if A is the square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is 3, then determinant of A inverse is. Our options are 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 or 12. So determinant of A inverse is actually equals to 1 divided by determinant of A. So determinant of A given in the question is 3. So determinant of A inverse will be equals to 1 upon 3. So our correct option will be option C. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.